Hey folks, Ian Wallace Harper, aka the Chatbot Ninja. I'm not making a tutorial video today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you why I chose BizStackPro. For me personally, what got me into BizStackPro was the community. The community of great team members, great great mentors, and great peers. But not only that, it means being part of something that helps me in business, helps me in life, because we've got people in the community who are good coaches, good mentors, good all-round tech people. We've got great soundboarding people. If you just want to talk, you can talk to them and they will give you some great advice. But what about the tools? Well, I'm going to share my screen and show you what I think is great about BizStackPro. So here we go. BizStackPro means you can have tools that will be great for your business, like the CRM and the Contact Manager, like the marketing automations. Within the community, we've probably got people who will do automations, and we will share them. I'm one of them. Landing pages and funnels. We've got people in the community that will be able to help you with building your funnels and building your pages. Integrations. It integrates with other platforms. It integrates with almost what do you want to integrate with? Some way, someone will be able to show you. Email marketing. Yes, email marketing. SMS marketing. You can send SMSs, and it's got two-way. Reporting and analytics. You can set up your dashboard and have all your things that you want to see in one place. But it's also got other reporting and analytics that you can set up. Client management, as I said, through the CRM and contact management, you can really and the pipelines. Yeah, don't forget the pipelines. You see my video on pipelines. You can see my video on just about anything, because I'm making videos for video tutorials for all of it. Great community I've mentioned. That's in the premium package. If you want the premium package now, at this very moment in time, until probably, well, for a while anyway, you can get $200 off your monthly membership, I suppose you could say, to use all the great tools, great community in that premium package. You can get that premium package now for $97, saving of $200. And you can get everything that's in that that package. Training, again, in the premium package. Get it now. $200 off each month. And that, is until you stop being a member. That's $200 off each month, saving for a limited time only. You can get the premium package using the coupon birthday 2024. Use the coupon birthday 2024 and get the premium package for just $97. And that is for life. If you stay in there for all time, then you are still going to have just pay $97 for the premium package. But be warned, that's not going to stay long. Then you've also got bonus software. Again, only in the premium package. And there are some great bonus softwares in there. So anyway, but that's what it does for my business. But the community does everything for me. Being with like-minded people, being with great mentors, being with great trainers, being with great people that can help and willing to help is the best part of being with BizStackPro. My thoughts only, but why not come and join me and find out for yourself what it can do for your business, what it can do for you, what the community does for you, BizStackPro does for your business. So please come, join me, use the coupon birthday 2024 and get your package, your premium package for just $97. Now, you might say that's a great package. You might say it's a great price. But wait till you get in the community and you'll see what a great team we all are. Now, I'm going to leave it at that, but I'll ask you to like and subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell to get updates. But also click the thumbs up and like my channel. I'll leave it at that. And I will see you in another video coming from this side, Chatbot Ninja training, with another tutorial coming soon. But I thought I'd just give you, first of all, my thoughts, my personal thoughts on why I joined BizStackPro. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget, share, hit like, and subscribe.